Hi there, I'm Christian Lonzi and I'm joined by my business partner and good friend Chauntel Christian.
Hi.
And welcome to the March edition of the Jellis Craig Market Update. Well, the real estate market has well and truly kicked off for 2022. So Shani, let's start with a bit of a recap on how the market's been performing so far.
When we came into the new year, I did have my concerns about the amount of stock we had entering the market. In December last year, our team had over 150 auctions booked for the first quarter of 2022. For this time of year, stock levels are higher than I can remember. In fact, CoreLogic reported that last month was the busiest February has seen in their weekly records that run back to 2008. But the true indicator lies in how auctions are performing, and yet auction clearance rates have continued about 70%, which still suggests we are still leaning towards a seller's market. In our experience, the market does seem a bit patchy, with some properties performing better than others, but we have achieved some huge results for our vendors over the last couple of months. So with the high stock levels and strong buyer activity, it'll be interesting to see how this year plays out.
Agreed. It is very difficult to predict the future of real estate, as it feels as though we've been through about 4 cycles in only the last 5 years. We saw a boom market in 2017, followed by a downturn during the Royal Commission in 2018. Then just as things started to normalise, we had the election in 2019 that Labor was certain to win. After that, we started to take off, only to get hit by a pandemic. And then, once again, we had a surprise boom market to finish off 2021. Moving forward, there is a lot of uncertainty with another election looming, talks of interest rate rises, and of course the tensions in Europe right now. If I had to guess, I feel as though we hit the peak of the market in around about November last year. And as you said earlier, it is still a very healthy market, but it is starting to feel a little bit more balanced between buyers and sellers.
Agreed, Christian, but I think the activity will continue as buyers seem to be more motivated by the unrest that resulted from the pandemic, rather than simply what is happening in the economy. So if you're out and about looking for a home, Jellis Craig have plenty of amazing homes up for offer this month, such as this Californian bungalow home at 14 Collegian Ave, Strathmore, for a twilight auction on the 16th of March.
This Federation home at 17 Crown Terrace, Ascot, Vale, going to auction on the 19th of March.
This iconic Flemington home at 57 Waltham Street, auctioning the 19th of March.
A beautiful Edwardian family home at 2 Braemar Street, Essendon, that goes to auction on the 26th of March.
This brand new home at 3A Sussex Street, Moonee Ponds, auction on the 26th of March.
A stunning Moonee Ponds Victorian home at 10 Limont Street, auctioning on the 26th of March.
A reproduction Victorian home at 112 Hedderwick Street is an expression of interest.
Then of course we have this stunning home at 47 Robert Street that we are shooting from today. This home has been extensively renovated by our vendors and will be offered for auction on the 2nd of April. Please feel free to call myself or Chauntel for your own private inspection. And of course, we will include all the links for these properties below.
Thank you once again for joining us today, and we look forward to serving you for all your real estate needs in 2022. See you next month.